Welcome to Know Better. Let's Learn Science is our series on learning topics on science. First of all, we'll discuss why there's a need to know this system of units and why it actually started. In ancient days, there were trades happening from one country to different countries, and even within the countries, and the units were so local. So suppose in some part of the world people used a foot to measure the length. At the same time, in other part of the world, meters were used or hand were used to measure the length of the cloth. And there was a confusion. That's why there was a need that there should be one system of unit which can be accepted throughout the world. And there comes the term International System of Units. All the countries of the world came together and they voted for International Bureau on Weights and Measures, which has a headquarter in Paris in France. Even today they meet twice every year and they discuss the aspects on weights and measures. The International System of Units chose 7 base units for the 7 base physical quantities, which are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. Also, it is important to know that a physical quantity needs a reference standard, which are called units. Now, for example, for mass, we use kilogram as the unit, and this kilogram can further be divided into smaller quantities like milligram or gram. Likewise, the unit for length is meter, for time is second, for electric current is ampere, for temperature is Kelvin, for luminous intensity is candela, and for amount of substance is mole. Let me also read out some prefixes used in metric system. Deci is, the symbol is D, which is 10 to the power minus 1, centi is 10 to the power minus 2, milli is 10 to the power minus 3, micro is 10 to the power minus 6, nano is 10 to the power minus 9, pico is 10 to the power minus 12, femto is 10 to the power minus 15, and atto is 10 to the power minus 18. And this is how we further divide this unit into smaller units. And now I'll read out the larger unit. So deca is 10 to the power 1, hecta is 10 to the power 2, kilo is 10 to the power 3, mega is 10 to the power 6, giga is 10 to the power 9, tera is 10 to the power 12, peta is 10 to the power 15, exa is 10 to the power 18. So we can say that kilometer, megameter, gigameter, terameter, so on. And now I'm going to read out some of the very interesting units in the world. You are aware of light year, which is the distance traveled by light in 1 year in vacuum, which is 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter, a very big quantity. And then we have one astronomical unit, which is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. 1 parsec is 3.26 light year. 1 nautical mile is 6,020 feet. 1 micron, as you know, is 10 to the power minus 6 meter. 1 angstrom is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon with something new, interesting. Bye.